Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you universal law of gravitation in this video. Do you know what is the universal law of gravitation? So first of all I want to explain you about the gravitational force and gravity. So what is the difference between this gravitational force and gravity? Suppose I am having this pen and this blackboard. If the attraction between two objects, suppose attraction between this pen and blackboard, this is known as the gravitational force. But if the attraction between this pen and the earth means out of these two objects, if one object we are taking the earth, that is known as the gravity. So now I will tell you about the gravitational law. Okay, what is the gravitational law? Suppose we are having these two objects, object A and object B. Mass of first object is small m and mass of second object is capital M. The distance between these two objects, that is d, and the force which is applied on both the objects, they are attracting to each other, that attraction force is suppose F. Now we have to find out the law of gravitation. So what is the law of gravitation? First of all, according to the Newton's universal law of gravitation, says that every particle in the universe, every object in the universe, every particle in the universe attracts to each other with a attractive force. Suppose that force is F. This force is directly proportional to the product of masses of both the particles. Means F is directly proportional to small m and capital M. This force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Means this is the square of the distance between these two particles. So F is inversely proportional to 1 upon d square. Now you can write down both the equations together and you are getting a new equation, that is F is proportional to m upon d square. Now we have to remove this proportional sign, so we have to put a gravitational constant. We are putting a constant and here we are using one constant, that is capital G. So F equal G m upon d square. So this is the law of gravitation. Here G is the gravitational constant and its value is G equals 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Okay students, now we are going to find out the value of G. So first of all, to find the value of G, you should know about the gravitational law. So this is the gravitational law. So I am taking capital G equal F d square upon mn. How we will find out the unit? Unit of gravitational constant G will be F, we are showing in the Newton, d distance we are showing into meters, so it is meter square, upon mass we will show with in kilogram, so mass multiply with mass, that is kilogram square. So the unit of gravitational constant capital G will be Newton meter square per kilogram square. The value of capital G, suppose if you are taking 1 Newton force, 1 meter distance and 1 kilogram of each particle, then you are having a value of capital G. Value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. This is the value which we will use in different numericals when we will solve after this one. Okay students, what is the importance of gravitational law? We are having that we are binding with the earth with the help of this gravitational force. Second, the motion of the moon around the earth. Moon is revolving around the earth, so that is depend on the gravitational law. Motion of different planets which is revolving around the sun and the formation of the tide. So these are the importance of the gravitational law.